Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have SoundPeats Engine 4 Bluetooth wireless earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. Now you might want to do this hard reset for a variety of reasons. If the earbuds will not connect to your Bluetooth, or if they will not sync, or they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, or if they're otherwise not working, an important troubleshooting step is to do a hard reset back to the factory default settings. Now, once you do this, you will need to set them up again because they will be as new headphones, but it's quite easy. If you want to do it, all you need to do is go ahead and put your earbuds inside their case and make sure that they're seated properly like they would be when they're charging. And then you're going to leave the lid open and come in and find the little button on the bottom of the case and press and hold this button for 10 seconds. I'm just going to keep holding it until the little indicator light on the inside of the case will blink white twice, indicating that the earbuds have been reset, at which point you can close the case, wait a couple seconds, open the case, take the earbuds out, and pair them again as new earbuds.